Jackson Hole last week, Jay Powell really signaling we're going to get those cuts coming up. We saw just about everything move higher. That was Friday. How do you see today playing out?
Yes, well, investors finally heard the words they wanted to hear from the Federal Reserve when Chair Powell said the time has come for policy to adjust. The question then becomes, adjust by how much and when? I believe that the March dot plot chart comes back onto the table now, which showed 3 rate cuts of 25 basis points each in 2024. We still have 3 meetings remaining, so I believe we're going to get those 3 25 basis point cuts this year. Going forward, though, I think they become much more gradual, possibly quarterly cuts from that point forward, because they're still concerned with the threat of a potential recession, much more so than they are with inflation staying above 2%.
So if we're having inflation concerns, why not do a 50 basis point cut in September? Wouldn't that alleviate some of those concerns and maybe take some pressure off the economy?
I believe that it would, but I believe that we also won't do that. They don't want a surprise market. They want to be gradual. They, of course, remember the last time they cut interest rates prior to inflation moving back to their 2% target in the mid-1970s. We saw the return of inflation to double-digit levels. They then had to step back in and raise short-term interest rates to 20%. We think 5.25% is restrictive. Can you imagine 20%? That, of course, brought on a recession. So this is a difficult situation that they find themselves in, which is why I think they're going to take a very gradual pace from here.
All right, so you're saying it's going to stay gradual. I also want to see how you see today shaping up. What's your WEX word of the day?
Juggernaut is my WEX word for the day, and I can't think of any better company to represent a juggernaut than Nvidia. And Nvidia's earnings this Wednesday have the potential to actually change investor psyche and also the outlook for AI investing overall. Think about what lies ahead for Nvidia right now. I think they're going to report strong earnings, strong revenues, and strong forward-looking guidance. We also know they're spending in the data center space, which they call AI factories. They're going to confirm their rollout schedule, not just for Blackwell Ultra next year, but Rubin and Rubin Ultra in the following 2 years. Nvidia is becoming the hub of the AI ecosystem, very similar to that how Amazon has become the hub of the e-commerce ecosystem.
All right, I want to get to your picks. You gave us a number of picks, a lot more in the tech space. You have a lot of confidence that Nvidia earnings are going to be better than expected, and that's going to bleed into the rest of the tech space in a positive way, not in a negative way, of course. I want to get to 2 of your other ticks, kind of the picks and shovels trades. One of them is a company called Vertiv. The other one is the utility sector. So we're going to show since Q3. Vertiv, you can see right here, actually down 9%, utilities up 10%, kind of inverse moves for these 2 different areas. Just curious, why Vertiv as opposed to just utilities? Utilities seem to be the safer play. I actually had the fortune of talking to a utility CEO. He says every big tech company is calling every day. We need more power. We need more power.
We also know that data centers not only burn a lot of power, but they run very hot. What does Vertiv do? They supply electricity, infrastructure, and the cooling solutions to data centers. So these AI factories need the services of Vertiv to stay cool and also use energy more efficiently. I also like utilities, though. Utilities are a very nice backdoor play into the AI revolution. A company such as Southern Company pays an attractive yield of about 3.3%. Forward P is only around 21. And guess what? They supply electricity and natural gas utilities to individuals, businesses, and data centers.
Almost out of time. One thing about Vertiv, forward PE of about 27 times. Do you think some of the decline here is just people getting religion on valuation?
Absolutely has to be the case. And we're also seeing some other competitors come into the fray as well, offering cooling and infrastructure solutions.